Have you ever wondered about the life of the man who changed our understanding of the universe, Albert Einstein? Born in 1879 in the tranquil town of Ulm, Germany, young Albert's curiosity was piqued early by the wonders of mathematics and physics. Yet he found himself at odds with the rigid rote-learning methods of his schools. Discontented and nonconforming, he sought knowledge in his own way. Einstein's early life was a testament to his future, a rebellious thinker who wouldn't be confined by the norms. Did you know Einstein was once a patent clerk? Yes, indeed. After graduating from the Swiss Federal Polytechnic, young Albert Einstein found himself struggling to secure a teaching job. This led him to the Swiss Patent Office, a place far removed from the grand halls of academia. There, amidst the clutter of patent applications, Einstein spent his days. But do not be deceived by the mundane setting. It was in this humble office that Einstein's mind roamed the cosmos, exploring the mysteries of the universe. While scrutinizing patents by day, he crafted revolutionary scientific theories by night. It was during this period, in 1905, that he published his Annus Mirabilis papers. These works, which shook the foundations of physics, were conceived not in a grand laboratory, but amidst the routine of patent examination. Einstein's breakthroughs in physics were made not in a grand laboratory, but in his humble office at the Swiss Patent Office. What does E equals mc squared actually mean? You might have heard of this equation before, but let's delve into the depths of its meaning. This equation is the most famous outcome of Albert Einstein's special theory of relativity, which he published in 1905. E represents energy, m stands for mass, and c is the speed of light. The equation simply means that energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. In layman's terms, it states that energy and mass are interchangeable, or in other words, they are different forms of the same thing. This was a radical idea at the time. It went against the classical Newtonian physics that had dominated scientific thought for centuries. Yet, Einstein's theory of relativity has proven to be one of the most transformative ideas in the history of physics. It completely revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. In 1915, a decade after his special theory of relativity, Einstein presented the world with his general theory of relativity. This expanded upon his earlier work, introducing the concept that gravity is not a force, as Newton had claimed, but a curvature in the fabric of space and time caused by mass and energy. By the time he developed these theories, Einstein's genius was celebrated worldwide. In 1914, he was invited to join the faculty at the prestigious University of Berlin, an offer he accepted. This appointment allowed him to focus on his research, leading to further scientific breakthroughs. Einstein's theories of relativity have had profound implications on our understanding of the universe. They have influenced everything from the development of nuclear energy to our understanding of black holes and the Big Bang theory. In conclusion, Einstein's theories of relativity were not just equations on a chalkboard. They were, and still are, the keys to unlocking the secrets of the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Einstein's legacy remains as relevant today as it was a century ago. Einstein's theories of relativity revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. Einstein wasn't just about relativity, he also had a lot to say about quantum physics. Indeed, his impact on quantum mechanics was as profound as his work on relativity. One of his most notable contributions was the explanation of the photoelectric effect. This is the phenomenon where light, when shone on a metal surface, causes the emission of electrons. Einstein proposed that light itself was made of individual quanta, or packets of energy, which we now call photons. Einstein's idea was revolutionary. It suggested that light behaves both as a wave and as a particle, a concept fundamental to the development of quantum mechanics. But quantum mechanics also brought with it ideas of randomness and uncertainty, principles that Einstein found unsettling. He believed in a deterministic universe, where everything happens for a reason and nothing is left to chance. His discomfort with the unpredictability of quantum mechanics led him into debates with some of the brightest minds of the time. Einstein's famous quote, "God does not play dice with the universe," encapsulates his philosophical disagreement with the inherent randomness in quantum mechanics. Despite his reservations, Einstein's work on the photoelectric effect was recognized with the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. His contributions helped shape our understanding of the quantum world, even as he himself grappled with its implications. Einstein's work on the photoelectric effect won him the Nobel Prize, but his discomfort with quantum mechanics led to his famous quote, "God does not play dice with the universe." Albert Einstein's later years were just as fascinating as his earlier life. As the storm of the Second World War brewed, Einstein was faced with a life-altering decision. A Jew born in Germany, Einstein had to flee his homeland in 1933 to escape the rising tide of Nazi persecution. This escape led him to the United States, where he would spend the rest of his life. In his first few years in America, Einstein found himself drawn into the world of nuclear physics. His famous letter to President Roosevelt in 1939 helped to spark the Manhattan Project, which ultimately led to the development of the atomic bomb. Yet, Einstein's relationship with the bomb was complex. While he acknowledged its necessity in the face of war, he later became a vocal advocate for nuclear disarmament and world peace. But Einstein's influence was not limited to the physical sciences. He was a man of deep humanity and used his platform to champion civil rights. He spoke out against racism and segregation and became a member of the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, showing that his genius extended beyond equations and theories. In April 1955, Einstein passed away, leaving behind a legacy that reverberates to this day. His theories have shaped our understanding of the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. His name has become synonymous with genius, and his iconic image, the wild hair and the playful smile, is recognized worldwide. But perhaps his most enduring legacy is his spirit of inquiry, his relentless curiosity, and his unwavering belief in the power of human intellect. He once said, "The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing." From a rebellious student to a Nobel laureate, from a patent clerk to the man who fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe, Albert Einstein's life and work continue to inspire and amaze us all. So, who was Albert Einstein? A genius born in the late 19th century who would go on to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. As a young man, he worked as a humble patent clerk, yet his mind was always reaching for the stars and the secrets they held. He gifted us with the theory of relativity, a groundbreaking concept that altered the course of physics. Einstein wasn't just a one-hit wonder. He also had a significant impact on the development of quantum mechanics, challenging and refining our grasp of this intricate science. In his later years, Einstein's influence extended beyond the realm of science, his intellect and moral compass shaping societal views on numerous issues. Albert Einstein's legacy? It's woven into the fabric of our understanding of the world around us, from the smallest particles to the vast expanses of the cosmos. Albert Einstein, the man, the genius, the legend, forever an integral part of our history and our understanding of the universe.